Hi, and welcome to Need to Know. Today, affiliate marketing has become a staple for almost every company. In fact, the annual sales generated from this kind of marketing alone have now exceeded over $12 billion. And Fiverr, being one of the leading marketplaces, didn't lose this opportunity either. Many people have yet to learn how much revenue they can make from the Fiverr affiliate program. And because we vow to help everyone make big bucks in the best ways possible, we'll tell you each and everything you need to know about Fiverr affiliate marketing. But before we start, make sure you've hit those like and subscribe buttons so that we can bring more amazing videos for you. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. Now, you must be wondering if this even works. As we said earlier, every company in this big old world is using affiliate marketing, and honestly, the Fiverr offer is pretty great. It's a leading marketplace, and one can find any service from making puppet videos to writing scripts here. But it's not just the selling services part that can earn you good money. In fact, you might make more money by joining the Fiverr affiliate marketing program. Every year, over 4 million buyers purchase services on this platform. But what if you get paid only because you referred Fiverr, and as a result of that, there was a conversion? In short, it does work. And if you put in some effort, there's a possibility for you to make big money. And don't worry, we'll walk you through the whole process of how it's done, so that you can set up your affiliate profile and thank us later. But before that, let's see how much money this program offers. That's a serious question, and as a matter of fact, no one should ever get into something without knowing about everything, from how authentic it is to how much money you can make. The program is offering 3 different types of commission plans. Let us explain them to you. The first is the CPA commission. Cost per action, or CPA commission, is pretty simple. The affiliates are qualified to earn commission every time a user creates a new account and buys services or products on Fiverr as a first-time buyer or FTP. Through this plan, one can earn up to $150 for every conversion. But the catch here is that the user must log on to Fiverr using the specific affiliate link that the affiliates are allotted. The commission plan in this one is dynamic. The lowest earning you can get should be at least $15. Also, it depends on the category the FTB would be purchasing the service from. The highest paying category on this program is Fiverr Pro Services, so make sure you choose wisely. Moving on to the second type, the hybrid commission plan. This one might seem a bit complex, but trust us when we say it's not. As its name suggests, hybrid commission plan is actually a combo of CPA and revenue share. Well, this one is a better option if you wish to earn more in the long run. What happens is that when the FTP buys any service after signing up for Fiverr, you get $10 right away. But that's not all. You also get the 10% of the revenue share for the whole year, meaning the more they buy, the more you earn. Lastly, we have the revenue share commission plan. We believe you already got an idea of how it works. If you choose this plan and promote the services like Fiverr Learn, you'll receive a 30% commission for every course you sell. And if the FTP buys services from the platform, you'll earn a 50% commission every time they purchase something. To us, all 3 of these plans seem pretty amazing. You can choose whichever plan suits you the best. The right choice can even earn you substantial dollars. So, how do you get started with this affiliate program? First, you need to pause the video, scroll to the description, and click on the link we've provided. The link will lead you to a webpage where you need to sign up. Fiverr will ask you for some mandatory yet usual information for the records, such as your name, email address, and stuff like that. Once you're done signing up, you're good to go. The new webpage you'll see after signing up is where you can keep track of all your earnings. Now, we know if it's authentic how much you can earn and how to set up an affiliate account. But here's the real question. How exactly is one supposed to make this affiliate marketing thing work? Well, we knew you'd wonder, so here are some suggestions. Let's talk about some of the best ways to earn money from this program. For starters, you can compile a guide around your niche. Guides are really helpful, but you can actually earn big bucks through them as well. So if you have a blogging website or something similar to it, make use of it and create a guide around your niche. For example, if you're promoting Fiverr through the affiliate program, you can write down everything about WordPress website development. If that's not it, you can also promote the graphic designing niche by creating a guide that mentions all the do's and do nots. The most important thing you can do here is recommend some freelancers from the platform who can do the task perfectly, as it gives the guide more authenticity and get more people into doing so. Next up, you can mention the services you've bought yourself. Personal experience is something that counts a lot, especially when you're telling people to buy services from a certain platform. If you've had a good experience getting your tasks done on the platform, make sure you mention it everywhere you're trying to promote Fiverr. This would positively impact the potential customers, making it easier for them to select the right services. If you got your website designed by a specific freelancer on Fiverr, mention them and add the affiliate link to their profile as well. When your website's audience likes the theme and layout of your site, they won't leave a chance to get in contact with the same service provider for their work as well. Lastly, you can use social media such as Facebook groups and forums for your own good. People often go to relevant Facebook groups to find the service providers that others have had a good experience with. On Fiverr, there are about 200 categories that one can promote, and honestly, you can find a Facebook group for almost each of them. Be it content writing or web development, there's always a forum available. Here you can share the affiliate link with others, answer any questions, and recommend services. We believe you'll be able to earn good money. What do you think about the Fiverr affiliate program? Would you like to know more about it? If yes, share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel, share this video with others, and smash the notification bell to stay up to date with all our content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.